Trading futures and options involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. You should consult with your financial advisor to determine if such trading is appropriate for your financial situation and experience. ITG Capital Management LLC and its affiliates make no guarantees of performance, accuracy, or profit from the use of any trading system, signal, or algorithm, including ITG Quantum AI or any educational strategy. Welcome back to Video 5, the final episode in our educational series from ITG Edge. This month, we've been testing our ITG Quantum AI software on the S&P 500 Futures 15-minute chart, applying it within the framework of our Compound Risk Reinvestment System, or CRRS. As you may remember from our earlier videos, we started May on a very strong note, reaching our monthly goal of $10,000 net profit in just the first few trading days. The second week brought more volatility and mixed results, followed by a rough patch in week 3, where we had 4 out of 5 losing sessions. But in week 4, we made a solid recovery, closing with a net profit of $8,000, less commissions and fees, of course. So, how did the final week of May play out? We kicked off the week strong, hitting our daily profit target right out of the gate. But on Tuesday, a sudden trend change caught us mid-trade, triggering our daily loss limit. Wednesday mirrored that outcome, another loss. However, the algorithm came back swinging on Thursday and Friday, locking in 2 back-to-back winning sessions. The result? We ended the final week of May with 2 losses and 3 wins. But thanks to our 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, we still posted a net profit of $8,000. In fact, Friday alone matched the entire profit total we had earned up to that point in the month. A very strong finish. Here's where we stand at the end of May. $16,000 in net profit for the E-mini contract, or $1,600 for the E-micro, all while our original monthly goal was just $10,000 and $1,000 respectively. We hit that target early on, but continued trading to evaluate performance across a full month. So what did we learn? Even though we achieved a higher net return, we had to endure more trading sessions, more commissions and fees, and most importantly, more risk. And while it worked in our favor this time, it doesn't always. If you continue trading after hitting your target, you risk ending the month with less, or even in the red. That's why one of our key takeaways remains clear. Do not overtrade. Once you've hit your daily and monthly goals, stop. Our ITG Quantum AI has built-in profit and stop-loss levels to enforce that discipline. And for our brokerage clients, we go a step further, implementing server-side daily loss limits that help prevent emotional overtrading. This is a core service we offer, something many other brokerages don't. Why? Because we believe in building long-term partnerships. The more successful you are as a trader, the more profitable we are as a firm. It's a win-win model, built on discipline, not commissions. Now let's talk about the risk model used in this setup. The strategy we tested this month wasn't risky in terms of daily exposure, but it does assume consistent execution and capital preservation. Our founder, Val Bauer, built Quantum AI using hedge fund-style principles, giving retail traders access to the kind of logic that's typically reserved for institutions with deep capital reserves. That's the challenge. Small traders can't afford to ride out unrealized losses like big players can. In fact, during May, we had 4 losing days capped at $2,000 per day. Had our daily stop loss been $4,000, those same sessions might have flipped to $4,000 in profit. But it cuts both ways. Those losses could also have doubled. That's why we maintain tight risk controls and realistic goals. Interestingly, if we had reduced our daily profit target to $1,000 while keeping the same $2,000 risk, or even reversed the risk-reward ratio to 2-to-1, the strategy would have hit profit targets nearly every day, with a similar overall outcome. With ITG Quantum AI, your configuration options are virtually limitless, but they must fit within a consistent framework like CRRS. In conclusion, this 15-minute setup has proven to be a strong candidate for traders using CRRS, though no system can guarantee results. The takeaway? Have a plan. Stick to it. Know when to stop. The power of automation, discipline, and strategic reinvestment can help small accounts grow steadily over time, without needing to gamble or over-leverage. VoiceOver. For more insights, tools, and access to professional trading infrastructure, visit us at itgedge.com. Trade smarter. Trade with purpose. This is ITG Edge.